How's it going, everybody? It's Mark from Canopytech, and today we're going to be doing a blog post that we have on our website, which is right here. Okay, canopytech.ca/how to adopt the Unifi USW-Flex-Mini onto a remote controller. This is one of the most popular blog posts we have on our website. So I'm going to add a video to it, and for any newcomers, you get to watch me do it. So here's the Flex Mini. It's powered on by the USB-C cable that has come with it. And this is our hosted controller that is out in the cloud. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this into factory recovery mode. So what you're going to do is you're going to hold the reset button until the white light starts to blink white and blue. So we're going to do this now. Okay. So we're going to hold the reset button. And we're just waiting for it to blink. Now the first blink, which is right there, that is reset. That is not what we want. So we're going to continue to hold. And there we go. We are in recovery mode. So now we're going to let go. We're going to plug in our Ethernet cable. And you won't be able to see it 100%, but we're blinking still. And now the green light on the activity should go orange, and then the blue and white light will stop blinking. So there we go. We have a stopped activity light. We have orange, and we're gonna wait for it to go green. It's off again. There we go. So now the white light is back. So in theory, what should happen now is now the switch is communicating with our main switch and say, hey, where do I gotta go? And there we go. Pending adoption. Look at that. It is right there. Pending adoption. We are going to hit adopt. And it's adopting the USW-Flex-Mini on to a remote controller. Now, once this is done, the white light on the switch will be blue, which is what we want as a standard Unifi switch would do. Now, why would Unifi do this? Well, by default, when you plug this into your network switch, the mini switch, is doing a call out for the domain Unifi, which is the new UDM's local kind of lookup. So it's looking for a local controller. If you have a cloud controller like we do for our customers and our network, this will not work for you. We don't use the Unifi routers. They're not up to snuff for what we need them for. For home use, they're great. I mean, if you need a basic setup and you just want your own, little decent router and you want to see all the stats and all that kind of stuff, it's fine. It's fantastic. They're fine. But it's not for us. So now it's provisioning, and we're most likely going to have an update. What we don't want, especially for us, is we don't want to go through Ubiquiti's single sign-on cloud. We have a problem with that. We're in IT, we're in security. We make sure people's things are safe. Having to go through them is another layer of security that we don't control. So at the end of the day, we're left holding the bag if something happens. So there you have it. There is an upgrade for it. So I'm going to hit upgrade just to show you guys that you can upgrade it. Okay. I'm going to grab the switch and I'm going to show you. There you go. Okay. It's blinking now because it's being updated. So we'll wait for the thing to finish updating and then I'll show you that the light is blue like any other switch. Why would you want to go through all this just for this switch? The reason being is this is going to a client. We're loading it into our section right now to not show customer data. But this is going to a client. This client has specific requirements that needs a switch in where they are. It's going up into a closet. We could put a dummy switch. We could put an unmanaged switch. We can do whatever. We're not going to do that because there are IoT devices that are going to be connected to this, and we need to be able to show or move these specific switch ports onto that network. That's why you would go with one of these. It's a little bit of a pain to get to a cloud controller if you don't know what you're doing. If you can't do this, if you, for whatever reason, you follow the steps and you don't know what's going on, it's not showing up, whatever is going on with it, please reach out, okay? I want you to go to our website, canopytech.ca. In the chat, go on the chat, click on YouTube as a section. It'll come directly to one of us that are here who have done this multiple times. We will help you, okay? We will help you. Don't get rid of the switch. Don't go on the forum, start bashing Ubiquiti. It's just the way it is for them, but it's still possible. So, as you can see now, the USW-Flex-Mini is up. There is no blue link on here because there is nothing on it. There is no SSH server. There's nothing on here. Okay? So now, as you can see, I don't know if you'd be able to see it because of the light. That light now is blue. We are connected. This is how it should work. Again, if you have any problems, leave a question down in the comments. We'll try and help you out. But if you want direct access, I want this thing working 100%, give us a call. Until next time, we'll see you later.